mix too, that's a vibe. It's all coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you mix too, that's a vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. Me and you mix too, that's a vibe. It's all coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you mix too, that's a vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. It's all coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. That's the vibe.
Yo, yo, what's up YouTube? What's up TikTok? What up, what up, what up? Epic. Good to be here with you guys. Once a week, we get to trade together, which is sick. And here we are. So good to be here with you guys. We're going to do this. We're going to be trading New York Open here. And let me just fix this. And that's all good. All right, W. All good. So, hey, what's up? You know what I mean? So let's have a look. I love New York session. I love you. And I love New York too. So, what up, Will? China. Your video is not clear. Your face is not clear. Is my video not clear? If that kid's lying, I'm blocking him. Dorito strat. China. Yeah, it's good. I knew it was good. Hey, I'm going to do a quick bit of analysis here, you guys. Let's do a quick analysis together here on gold. Daily just came down, broke previous daily lows, whatever. So we're bearish. 4 hours bearish, we've been moving down all day. 1 hour's bearish, moving down all day. Pretty major level here on the 1 hour. 30-minute key level. And 15. Yeah, I think I had pretty accurate levels. So let me mark something here. Looks like a lot of volume kicking in here right now. I may be interested in a break above or a break below here. I'll measure the range in a sec. It's pretty tight, but I will look to measure the range as well, just to make sure everything's all good. China. But yeah, good to see you guys and be back on the stream. Type shit. Let me just do something. Yeah, that'll do. Anyone that was around last night, I jumped on the Top Step stream last night with the Top Step cats, Top Step TV. We did all sorts of Top Step stuff. There is the burger. Have been profitable in sense using OB. OBCD. Fucking hell, bro. Gold doing all sorts of stuff here, you guys. Is some sort of news hitting or something? Bro, at what price? Bro, I never talk. Hey, who's someone's here? Gold just moved down quite a lot just then. Yo, yo, what up, Jack? 30 minutes is news. Oh, unemployment claims in 30 minutes. Okay. Gold is killing me. Sometimes I spot it on Forex broker, then I thought it would keep going half my Forex account because it's going down. Then just sell instead of buy. The main thing you got to do in trading is if you see it moving, then do it in that direction. Will. Another major level here. Let's have a look at silver. Hey, you guys, who's looking at Bitcoin? Bitcoin just broke to 6.9. Stole that shit. Not that 6.9, 6.9. Wow, 69,000. That's unbelievable. Stole that shit. Yeah, Bitcoin's going to zero. I've been telling them. I tried telling them. Can you check my question, the Dissy? 100%. Yep. 100%. Let me have a quick look here. NQ can't do too much. Hey, the reality is we've got red folder kicking in very shortly. Bro, I had a sell position from up here. Imagine if I kept holding. No trade today. I'm just going to be probably looking for a clean kind of hit today just to get eligible for a payout. Yeah, Michael Saylor or whatever, he'd be... I mean, the thing with that Michael Saylor dude is like, okay, you're going all in on this thing. Why? Type shit. And number two is, once you're that invested in something, you're going to not see clearly. You're not going to see things as clearly. You're going to be diluted. You're going to have such a bias towards it being bullish because you're billions of dollars bullish. He physically wouldn't be able to comprehend the idea of it being bearish. Terrible bad business decision. It's like, bro, I mean, it's actually stupid. Like some guys shouldn't be traders. Like, yes, it can go up and all this, but it's just like, I mean, there's so much more better investment than Bitcoin. Like, come on, guy. Hey, let's have a look over here. I mean, I've got a bit of anxiety. I haven't streamed for a while, so I'm just trying to come to grips with everything. With new variant on the type 2, have a strong push down here, but the next 15 candle wick down and reject it back up. Yeah, I mean, this wouldn't have been a bad buy position, Brett. Not a bad position if you took it. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, I think there's a case for that. Head and shoulders? I don't know, just... Let's see. I mean, at the end of the day, we've got red folder kicking in here in a minute. And what happened to the live account? Bro, that was so long ago. I mean, they're going to move me to live again after 2 more payouts, so we'll see what happens. I don't want to, but what are you going to do? Yo, TJ Trades, what up? Fucking, yeah, metals are melting here. I mean, it was pretty obvious. This is just look like a pullback on the higher time frames, to be honest. I'm still bearish on gold. I think we could see something like this over the next coming weeks, to be honest. Fucking swing trader signals coming in. This is swing, nah, maybe not that. I don't know. Who knows? Who gives a crap? These levels. Gold's melting, you guys. I'd love to partake in a sell. It's got to give me a chance here. What a big drop for gold today. Why do you get moved to live, and is it best to avoid it? I mean, if you ever get confronted with that issue, then talk to me. Have you heard of Tom Trades? Pick a less fucking standard name. Hey bro, have you heard of Bob Trade? That's like, I mean, which Bob kind of thing? Hey, have you heard of Tom? No, I don't know. It depends which Tom and shit. Difference between funded and live? I don't know. Just Google it. It's just, yeah, it's just different. Nothing. Oh, you took that one? Hit my TP fast. Nice. Okay, there you go. Still see. There you go, Brett. Looks like it was a good trade. Miss your daily streams, man. But yeah, thanks. But yeah, no, it's good to come back every now and then. Like once a week here, but are you Hindi? Yes. Yes, I am. It didn't sweep liquidity, no. What? Guys, don't trade. Liquidity hasn't been swept. Be very careful if you're going to trade. Liquidity. Hey, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream back once a week. And if you don't like it, I'm just going to delete my whole YouTube channel. If you don't like this stream right now, I'm going to move to Tanzania. So we've got red folder coming in massively, and are you, it's you or you? Me. Red flag. Yeah, I mean, I guess we're here now, so let's have a look. Dude, Bitcoin's fucking, Bitcoin's cured cancer. No. Down more than 50% since fucking October. No. All good. Market is preparing now. Buy, believe me. No, I don't want to believe you. What if you're wrong? Exactly, Cadabra. Have you ever looked into take profit trader payouts? I'll tell you guys something about prop firms and all this kind of jazz. If you're using anything other than Top Step, please present me a document as to why that's a good idea. I can't find any justification why any prop firm is better than Top Step. And I'm not affiliated with them in any way. They don't pay me anything. I got no connection with them in any sense. But please, I can't figure out why anyone uses a prop firm other than Bottom Step. Right? FTMO, but why? Tell me why. Top Step fails big time? How do they fail? Tell me how. I'd love to hear it. I'm all ears. I'm all ears. Diversification. Get 5 accounts. Right? FTMO have a payout track record. So does Top Step. If there's one thing you'll never hear of Top Step is them denying payouts. I don't care if FTMO is the oldest and this and that. I don't care about that. I care about me trading it today. I don't care if it was born in 1470. All I care about is, So yeah, here we are with this first 15 closure. The reality is we've got red folder news. Good luck trying to trade before red folder news. Right. Fuck me. Check this out, you guys. Your boy cooking on Top Step yesterday. Alhamdulillah. They invited me on for a,
Or courtship, whatever you want to say it. We tested the highs of the 26,000s. Come failed moves come fast.
hectic. Top Step's not available in your country? Oh. Apex is garbage. Yeah. Top Step isn't allowing gold or silver trading right now. Brother!
Order filled.
I just took a trade on gold. And you just made me lose $9 to prove a fucking point. So, there's 2 options here. Either 1, Top Step doesn't allow you to trade on gold, or 2, your brain's broken. Oh, fuck. Shit! All good. B. Revenge trade, yeah, fuck it. In the stream, he took a trade, yeah, exactly. They reduce micros, yeah, as they should, because everyone's blowing their accounts. Yeah, so about to get its closure here. I mean, we've got red folder coming in. If you guys want to do some dumb shit before red folder, I'm personally not. It's just a bad idea to trade before red. Your account red, it hurts. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have to revenge to get it green. What makes you pick Top Step? What makes me not is the reality. What type of glass are they? They're just red light glasses. They're cheap as. You looking for longs, man? I'm looking for, if I can get a break above or a break below, I'm going to look for either of these, definitely. Megally. Yeah, majorly looking for either of these. What's the difference between Express and Combine? Express is funded and Combine's challenge. I don't like that they do that. I'm just like, hey bro, just call it a challenge and a funded. Like, why do you have to call it Bing or Bong? Daniel, are you Muslim? No, I'm just, whatever. I'm just hanging out. Yeah. Let's send me your account number. I'll send you $9. Yeah. Jeez, this was reliable. Come London Open with Aaron, that will be great. Yeah, I might be doing a Top Step banger with London Open, me and Aaron together. Yeah. Look at this, you guys. I've got 30K on this 50K account, and I've taken 15,000 out in payouts in the last 3 weeks on this one account. It's pretty crazy, man. I'm telling you, one account you can really do some damage. You can really do some good shit on. One account can change it all for you. Only reason I'm showing I usually have this hidden, but the only reason I'm showing it is just to flex on my ops. Yeah, otherwise I would have it hidden. So look at this, you guys. Let's have a look. These are the last 3 payouts I've taken: the 15th of this January, the 23rd of January, and the 3rd of February. 3 5 bangers, and these are all in that one same account. This account that I'm trading on right now. So 15K in payouts, plus the account's still sitting at 30 in profit. So that means I put 45,000 on this 150K account, nearly doubled it in 1.5 months. I've only had one red day in 1.5 months as well. And that one red day didn't need to happen. I went on a bit of a tilt, to be honest. Wasn't a good day. And it'd be flawless victory for a month and a half. Like, I've lost trades, but I've always managed to finish the day green. Yes. Anybody that wants to learn from me directly or work with me directly, you go to danielholmestrades.com and you can submit an application to work one-on-one with me. I'm telling you, man, some of these guys in my trading mentorship, I don't know what to tell you, brother. I see it in stages where these guys start and they work their way up and they start to become killers in the game. It just give it time. It will come. But yeah, whatever. Shut up. Are you AI? Yes. How much is mentorship? 47 billion. What time is your live mentorship? Brother. Head and shoulders, dandruff. Yes, exactly. How to trade when news is coming? Just have to wait. If I knew news was coming, I say this every day, but if I knew news coming, I probably wouldn't be here right now, but here we are. Lithuania, what up, what up, what up? Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream. Helps the algorithm bring hot chicks into the chat. Heaps of supermodels come in the chat when you like the stream. But if you don't like that kind of thing, all good, just don't like it. It's all G. Yeah, it's all good. What up, Dennis? I don't like this red in my thing, so I might try and get this back green. No, definitely not. That won't make any sense. Why are you wearing red? Why are you wearing red candles? Why so much volatility? Just crazy, just markets, bro. Who cares? Like, just the main thing is just trade. Yeah. Tory Trades is in the chat. Yes. Please, please. Still same strategy? No, I completely switched up on my ops. I use Bollinger Bands, liquidity sweeps, and FVGs now. Mainly FVGs. Which is better, trades gold or silver? I'll answer it if you spell which better properly. Because right now you're spelling it like this. Where are you, you sneaky little devil? This is how you're spelling it. And that's going to really, it's not, I don't want to have to answer it like that. Use the fast strategy. BBC and SMC is crazy combo. I mean, have you seen BBC and LBGT combo? I don't know. Yeah, I've switched up to the 15-second strat. So here we go, man. We have 9 minutes till high impact news is hitting the market. I watched you from very start. It's inspiring to see that you made it. Wow, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Hey, here's the interesting thing about that. We're all gonna make it, bro. We're all gonna make it. There's no reason why we aren't. I would love to hear a good reason why we aren't all gonna make it. You know what I mean? So, I mean, dude, Bitcoin's the future. All good. I know a guy that was getting people to put their superannuation in Bitcoin. All good. Hey, bro, so you know that you've worked your whole life a 9 to 5. The money that you've saved from that, put it all in crypto, and that's a good idea. Day. Back to the tools. Terrible idea, man. Oh, nice, Regan. How's it possible to have a 30K balance on a 50K account? Well, technically it's 45K, but I've taken 15K out in payouts. And the only way it's possible is by being him. All good. Hi, I'm him. Right? That's the only way it's going to become possible. The cool thing is you could become him as well. It's actually a state of mind. It's a frequency that you can tap into. Bro, show me your trades on TradeZilla. Hey, any of you guys that watch traders that have TradeZilla accounts and like, yeah, bro, look at my dashboard. It's all just manually put in trades. So if I had a TradeZilla account, I'm just going to track all the winning trades. Like, who gives a shit about TradeZilla? TradeZilla's trash. Honestly, I know they've hit me up to promote them and stuff like that, but I actually don't think it's good. I don't think it's good to be obsessed with all your statistics and stuff. Yeah, I think there's a superpower in trading in not thinking too much. Right? It's weird to say, but there's power in not thinking too much. Yeah. Saw you on Top Step TV yesterday. Oh, nice. Good. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it. Yeah. I'll be on Top Step TV definitely on the 16th, but I might also be doing another one with Aaron Trades soon. But I'm definitely going back on their channel on the 16th. Yeah, really cool guys over there on Top Step TV. Did you still... yeah, I collabed with Raja when I got to Dubai a couple months ago. No, I haven't traded today at all, actually, to be honest. So this will be my first... I'm just looking to get a trade to get me over the threshold for a payout, which is like 150 bucks. Bro, sessions are important? Yes, sessions are important. You want high volatility, volume in the market? You want high volume in the market. 3 likes? No, there's more than 3, but hey, can you guys please like the stream? If you don't like the stream, then you think I'm fat and ugly, and I don't like that. I practiced on demo account for 1 month, reading chart, then invest $20. Now my account is almost 600. Wow. I mean, I would definitely take that out of the market, take it out and put it in your pocket right now. Yeah, take it out. So we've got red folder in 5 minutes, you guys. What do you think the market's going to do, up or down? It's unemployment claims, and typically with unemployment claims, what it likes to do is kind of, you won't get like some big push. It'll like cook, the orders will come in, the sentiment will like start to build, and then direction will start to take over. So we'll see what happens. Are you trading gold? Yes, I'm trading gold, bro. Would you use a broker registered in... You guys that are scared to use brokers, they don't care about your $50. You know what I mean? So my answer will always be, yeah, just use that broker, because they don't care about your $50. Have you heard of the Trust Me Bro strat? Bro, one of the oldest strats in the biz. I'll tell you what is one of the oldest things in the trading industry is signals. They used to call it tips. Oh, fucking Bob up in the bank has a tip on, you know, some news dropping about the value of value of cotton. I'd call it tips. A really good book to read is, or audio book, is The Reminiscence of a Stock Trader. It's actually very sad. It's about one of the best institutional traders ever. Started at the age of like 15, became a multi-millionaire, gave it all back, got it all again, and then himself at the end. I would like to stream if you promise to use more than 1 micro on Top Step. I mean, I'll go for like a $1,000 trade on Toppy. I don't think about risking percent based. I just think about money based. Yeah. Yo, what up, Shib Dog? Hope you're good, bro. Oh, you listened to that book? Nice. So we've got 2.5 minutes here for red folder. What a joker. Which session is good, sir? The one that you show up to with the dedication to trade it. I like the stream. Thank you. You good? Good shit, Shib Dog. You trade Raja and Don Vu strategy? I came into trading and I learned from Raja, and then I also learned from Don Vu a bit, and then I left them behind in the dust and went around the world to do all this bullshit for like 2 years, and then I came back and kind of merged them together and then built my own system with them as the core principle, price action trading. And here we are today with 30K on one 50K top step account with 15K payouts on this account as well. So I've nearly 100% X'd it. Yo, Carolina, what's up? What's up? Good to see ya. It's been a hot minute. Would you ever go on Words of Wisdom? Yeah, I've been speaking to him a little bit on and off. I have to get him a bunch of certificates and payouts and shit to show him that I actually am a trader, but I just haven't been bothered to do it. I've got to go like digging for all this shit. We've got 1.5 minutes here, you guys, for red folder. Like the stream or you don't like me? No, I won't say that. I'll assume that everyone here likes me because, you know, good always overrides evil. So just like the stream. Wow, so here we are, man. This is crazy. So red folder, The market's moving down. This is a pretty key level of support. Yeah, it's a very key level of support. I wonder if Red Folder's going to do something. You look like Logan Paul. Bro! Would you recommend people copy your trades or stop watching your streams to become... Well, I only trade once a week anyway. I only stream once a week here anyway, so you'll only get to do it once. Do 1,000 push-up for 1,000 likes? Yeah, bro, I'll do it. Raja teach very good, but very bad on Rush. Oh yeah, man. Sometimes I shop to stream and I'm like, I only stream for like an hour, so I'm like, I want to make something happen. So you just rush some bullshit trade. I try not to do that anymore because I'm like, oh, people are like actually probably taking the same trade and shit. I'll show you a support line on NQ, but I wouldn't be trading it because we've got fucking, you know, stock exchange coming in. That's the support line there. All right, here we go. Red folder in 3, 2, 1. Now it'll cook here for a bit and then some direction should kick in. Bro, I miss your daily lives. Yeah, I know. It's crazy, man. Like a year and a half of daily bangers and now we're not doing it. So it's all good, but once a week's cool. I mean, I trade live every day in the mentorship. Anyone that wants to work with me one-on-one or join the mentorship, where we do the Asia stream, the London stream, and the New York stream every single day to this day. You go to danielholmestrades.com and you can submit an application. It's not to sign up, it's to submit an application, and then we decide if it's a good fit or not. Hey, you guys, and also I started this 5K to 100K challenge, and I'm at 30K at the moment. Pretty cool. I'm at 30K. So I just got to get to 100. How long have you been doing the mentorship? Wait, Dean, aren't you in the mentorship? Can you explain how prop firm works? Just Google it. That's all. Google's going to do it way better. ChatGPT. Google. All right, so we haven't broken it out here, which is cool. I like that. I'll draw something which will be great here. I don't know. You can see what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a break above or a break below. I'm very happy to do either of those, definitely. Yeah, I'm happy to do one of those. I can't take any type of impulse buy here or anything. The 15's respecting it too well. It looks alright on the 30, but I can't do it based on, I can't ignore the 15. And we are moving down a lot. Silver, what do you got for us? Oh, shit the bed, son. Yeah, silver looking pretty bullish. Wonder if these highs will be broken here on silver and how it reacts off that. Okay, there's the highs broken. Let's see if it can hold up here. Let's see what this is very important what this does here. Do you offer mentorship for tech analysis or psychology analysis? Mentorship is everything. Mentorship is I'm mentoring you. So here's the thing. You have a desired outcome for what you want trading to bring. The goal is that you, someone that's got the experience of going through that process, myself, to work with you, to guide you along that process in the most efficient way possible. Because here's what most traders do. They just run the circle for years and years and years and then just give up. So my job is to get you to that desired outcome in the most efficient way possible. So here we go. Price is having a reaction here. Silver's holding well. sort of. I really don't want this to leave. Highs were broken there. A lot of buyers just got tagged in then. A lot of buyers just got tagged in then. 7 bands for mentorship. Well, it depends what tier you go on. And if you think that's expensive, then you have no idea how the world works. You'll just be brokey in your room. We also have Latinas in the message. Oh, fuck. I mean, you got some trading influencers in the industry that charge 10K for one-on-one call. The guys in my high tier mentorship, they get unlimited one-on-one calls, which no one else is doing in the industry. But it's because I have no life. Like, this is my life. I don't have like kids and shit, so I can do that for now. So yeah, I'm watching these levels closely here. I'm trying to visualize some stuff. I'm not trying to get, there's a big part of me that doesn't want this to leave bullishly. But also if it does, that's totally fine because we can sell it back down or we can try and get a buy up as well. Good question. How do you decide when to withdraw money from Top Step and how much? This is how I decide whether to withdraw money from Top Step. I'm going to show you exactly how I decide. I go like this. Check this out. Big man things. We are your kids. Yeah, that's true. So this is what I do. I come to my Top Step dashboard. I scroll down. And as soon as it says eligible for a payout, a thing will come up here showing an amount. As soon as I see that, I click take. Thank you. I'll take that. Bing. As soon as I'm eligible for that bitch, I take it. A lot of you guys are like, no, I have to get it to 47.21 on a Wednesday at a full moon before I take a payout. Brother, take the money, stupid. You're going to blow the account. Take it. Right? Take the money whenever you can. Statistically, it's incredibly low odds to take money out of prop firms. If you've got the option to take it, take it. Right? So that's what I do. That's all I do. So these look at this. So silver's, yeah, very, very interesting spot here. So we'll see what happens. This is like pretty critical. I think it wants to go. I don't know. We'll see. How do you battle sitting down doing nothing? It's been the hardest thing for me. Wait for the right setup. Hey, good question. I don't usually do this. I'll very rarely, if ever, like be sitting at a chart like this. Never. I'll like mark my key levels and every now and then I'll come back and have a sticky beak and see if it's at my levels. So just do that. Just mark the levels of interest where you're waiting for price to get to in order to potentially take a trade. And then just come back and look at it. Don't sit there and watch the chart. Like we're doing it now because we're on stream and just hanging out, but typically just watching the chart is a bad way to go. How much time will it take to get a payout in Dubai? Oh, it's just the same as anything everywhere. I use a negative risk to reward and it's working. Yeah, that's fine, bro. Honestly. Yep. I think that's fine. If it's working for you, man. No, I don't know any Tabish person. I was eligible to get 666. I thought, let's add another 100 and 150, then blew it. Bro, trust me. If you guys, honestly, I'm not trying to suck myself up, but if you guys listen to me, I promise you, I'm giving you advice that will really help. Everything I ever say, please listen to me. I promise. Because I mentor a lot of traders, and this is from beginners to experienced to veterans, honestly. Like I have a whole mixed array. And I've been doing it for a long time. I've had a community. I've been trading for XYZ. So I see the same shit over and over again. So if I say something, it's from experience, never from fucking I heard a TikTok video about. $30K balance? Yes. Yep, yes, 30K. Yo, what up, Hunter? Desert boy, yes, sir. Let's get deserted. Why your sell level is not below previous green candle? There's not enough range. That's a good question. So if I were to put it there, I'd be selling straight into this level here, which is 130 ticks. I mean, fuck. Is that a wick over there to the left? No. Is it an hour wick? No. Oh, fuck. Yeah, you maybe. Maybe. We'll see. We'll watch it. Because the reality is I could say, oh man, it's a big range, 130 ticks, but my stop loss is going to be like that as well. So you know what? Maybe I will leave it there for now. You're a better trader than me. Tom Brady of trading. Oh shit, man. Hey, look at this. So I think we made a good decision there by just, letting price see if it respects these levels. And it looks like it failed on both gold and silver. So I would have got stopped out there if I took an impulse, which I believe wasn't justifiable. Hey, I said this on Top Step live stream yesterday. A superpower in trading is knowing when not to take a trade. Not when to take a trade, but when not to. Study, bro. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream live here once a week. Live once a week on fucking YouTube. These ranges are still big, so yeah. I just passed 3 combines this week. However, I don't know how to get started with the Express account after blowing accounts too many times. Is it normal to feel this? What I would say is 2 things. One, maybe you gambled to pass them, which in that sense, there's probably going to be a level of, like fear. But if you didn't gamble to pass them, then just stop being a bitch about it. And if you do blow them, you can just get funded again. All right? That's all. Just know that you can just get funded again. You've done it before, you can do it again. A superpower in prop firm trading consistently and profitably is your ability to have no fear about blowing a bunch of accounts. If you're homeless, just buy a house. Exactly. Yeah. 30K balance and profit. Yes, sir. With 15K in payouts on this one account. I mean, I'm only showing my shit just to flex on my ops because it's a pretty cool story to be like, look, here's the 5K payouts on this account and I'm still sitting at 30K balance. Pretty crazy for one account, right? Can you walk me through your strategy, brother? What's the reasoning for your trades, etc.? 100%. If you hang out for a bit and we get what I have on the screen here, which is a break above or a break below, I'll talk through exactly what I'm going to be doing here. Blew all my funded XFAs yesterday, tilted horribly, also eligible for payout, and it was my birthday as well. Honestly, broke me. Hey man, or girl, I feel your pain, and I know it sucks right now. I've gone through it many times. I've done exactly all that so many times to the point that I've cried. Tears of frustration come down my face. I said, man, I'm just not cut out for this trading shit. I just can't do it. But the next day you wake up, you feel a little bit better, and you get back on the horse and you jump back into trading, and then, a couple of weeks later you're funded again and you got some profit on that account and you get back there. And not only do you get back there, you get back there with new lessons. All right, so maybe it was meant to happen. So looking for a break below one of these levels or above, and we're good to go. More accounts with small profits or one account with big risk? Yeah, you can do either. You can do either. It's an individual basis. I'd have to know you as a trader to determine what's probably best for you. Look at this, 1.5 minutes left here. I wonder if we're gonna hit a break below this level. Yeah, and what Janice said here is a good thing as well, Evelyn, is advise you not to trade on your birthday. Like, just remember, you don't have to trade every day, you guys. You know what I mean? It's okay to fucking walk away. Oh my God, Bitcoin is meltdown, you guys. Nah, dude, Bitcoin's gonna save fucking starvation. Nay. Do you teach? I teach you how to Dougie. Yep, done that as well. Prelude. Everyone's done it. It's all lessons though, right? So you're going to 15 break below this level. I think I'm interested if we can get a break below. Depending on what the retest looks like. Hey, can you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream? It really helps. I don't fucking know, but just do it, please. Yeah, Bitcoin made a lot of people broke. Yep. Oh, look at this gold. So gold failed to break below here. What did silver do? So I guess this 1 hour closure is going to be the big dog. How this 1 hour closes is going to be, yeah, it's going to be a big dog, you guys. Yep. And if gold keeps dropping here, so check this out. If gold right now decides to do this and kind of start pushing down here like this in this candle, don't stress out. That's actually going to be better because I would rather have my support level here, to be brutally honest. A break below this level is so much more favorable than this level, in my opinion. Yeah. And even now, if it wants to break above here, I'm happy for that as well. Because what would that look like on the 30? Ooh, it'll look pretty ugly on the 30, to be honest, but I mean, it's not the best fucking, this isn't the best structure. Oh, appreciate you, Orland 6127. Like this stream way better than any other stream. Talking nonsense. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, we're just hanging out and trading, talking shit. Yep. Yeah, we're really doing it. Do you have a discount code for Top Step? No. Nothing in life is cheap. No. I'll be honest with you guys. What I would want to see in the most ideal scenario is this candle right now to push up and close like this. And then either get a break below or a break above after that. I would love for this candle to close in the middle, because if the next candle after that can break out, then the body of that candle will have a bit of size on it when it breaks out. You want to break out where the candle breaks with size as opposed to a little, like a small body candle, right? Much more favorable. This implies strength. This implies weakness. The bodies tell the story. So that's kind of what I would love. But, you know, a lot of the times you try to like visualize, like as you're watching, you're kind of visualizing ideal outcomes. And a lot of the times it doesn't happen how you want, but it still presents something that you didn't think of, which is cool. Is there more news coming up, really? Oh, we got jolts in. No, it's a fair while off. We'll get a trade before then. It looked like Top Step guys were really impressed with you, and so was the audience. You do. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah, the Top Step guys were dope. They messaged me this morning to jump back on the 16th of this month, so in 10 days. So yeah, that was a really cool experience. I mean, guys, you got to realize I was just a dude in a room not even that long ago. I had a job a year ago. No. A year ago, I was making live streams talking about how much I like Raja. Imagine fucking being cool, doing live streams with Top Step and all this kind of shit. A year later, 15K payouts in like 17 trading days. It's now up to 30K in profit on this one account. Multiple 6 figures in payouts or money withdrawn from the market. Like things can just fucking change, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. Like don't ever think that things can't change for you really quickly. It's actually very shocking how quick things can change. And this dude, nonsense. Okay, guy. Yo, what up, Pez? Good to see you, Carl. Long time no long. Why are you trading your live account? Where are you trading your live account? Just on the markets, just trading it. With here it is here. It's up 30k. It's up to 30k from 5k. I'm in Dubai now. I'm from Australia, but I live in Dubai now. Jesus. What up, Batman? My stop loss and take profit, I can tell you my take profit is, but it's all going to depend on how it breaks out. So I'll be watching how it breaks out. Thoughts on props being banned in the UAE? I mean, I don't even know what you're talking about. I'm from Brisbane originally. Thanks, Sylvia. That's good feedback. If the bodies tell the story, the wicks. Yeah, I mean, yeah, like it's hard to describe in like short terms. It's on a case by case basis. But sir, if we want to buy, but there is 4 wicks, does it good buy? Yes. As long as this candle, like if this candle, check this out. If this candle can, like our candle can push up and engulf like this, engulf this range. I mean, I don't care too much about these wicks then. If I got a retest and a push, I think I'd still take it. Maybe I would take it the break of the wicks, but maybe not. Because my thing would be like, man, if this candle's engulfing this enough of these wicks here, retesting, failing to push back in the range, and then breaking the high of that 15, I mean, the probability of it continuing up is pretty fucking high. So at the end of the day, you've got to place the bet. And that would be enough of a probability for me to place the bet. I don't know what's going to happen. I can't predict that. Hi, shows 50k express, but your balance 30,000. I'm new. Could you explain? Yes. What that means is that I've put $30,000 of profit on this account. But what it actually means is I've put $45,000 of profit on because look, I've taken 15,000 of payouts on this account as well. So I've nearly doubled the account in since the 15th of January or whatever. This was reliable. Did you ever go to Cafe Scene on the Valley? Oh, I'm not sure. When I first started watching you, I think you traded with about 5 micros. What do you use now? Probably the same considering the volume in the market at the moment. Today, I'm just looking to get 150 on my account, so I'm eligible for a payout, but we'll see. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. If you don't, you're a long-necked lizard. After testing out your method, I got ranked 600th among 1.5k contestants. Oh, wow. Sick. I don't know where all these contestants are, but that's fucking cool as. Why you look at the body to have BOS, we need closure above wick? No. Silver looks good. Let's have a look at Sil. Yeah, silver looks good for breaks below as well, you guys. Defo. I would rather this candle close green and then break below after that. That would be fucking A+. Like if this happened, this exact visual, oh, That would be mega A+. Got that retest, I might have to say, fuck this $150 win. I'm trying to get, 2K on this bitch. So we'll have to see. People remind me about silver. So we've got 6 minutes before this candle closes. What do you think about 30-minute reversal? I don't know what that means, bro. Like, I don't know what you mean. Why just 150? Just because with Top Step, to be eligible for a payout, you need 5 days of a minimum $150 per day profit. And I'm already eligible for the payout. I just need another day of 150 profit. Who was the guy that peeked behind your door? Oh, that's kind of scary. I don't like that, but I like that you did that, but that was kind of scary, so I don't like it as well. But I'm not going to look because I'm a fucking man. I'm a G. I'm not even going to turn my head. This candle stuff is nonsense. It's just something to sell a course. There's $30,000 on a Top Step account. 30,000. I just took 15,000 out of it. Look, in 1 month, I put 45,000 USD on a single account. Fuck! So how is it nonsense? How? Please tell me. You can see $30,000. How much did you earn in the last month? I made 45,000 on one account. How much did you make, kid? On TikTok chat. All good. Fuck me, bro. You can, like, the thing with this shit is you can't please everyone. You could have $30,000 sitting there and then people still say, grifters selling courses. But all good. All good. We've got 3 minutes for this candle closure. What a joker. Bro, he's rage baiting, do you reckon? What was your contract size? Just moderate. Like, I had a few big days and shit like that, but I'll be honest, I've had this account for since the start of January. I've only had one red day, and that red day didn't need to happen. It was a bit of a tilt. Like, it wasn't my proudest day, that's for sure. Yeah. I'm human as well, man. Yep. I'm human as fuck. That's all good. So we're waiting for this. I mean, what I drew up just before you guys on silver will be really fucking good if we get that. If I get a closure below here on the next candle, banana as hell. How you control bad days, being used, yeah, it's fucked. Oh, you're still not even funded? Yeah, then you got a fundamental, it's not about bad days, it's about a fundamental flaw within your trading strategy. If you've been trading for a few years, yeah, I'd say your strategy's chopped. If all you need is 150, there is no need for big risk today, but I want more money. I want more money, money. It's the only thing that makes me feel whole. Nah, I mean, at the end of the day, we're here to make money as well. So, I mean, if I see a good setup, I'll make more money. Yeah, it's all good. Don't need to be scared about making money. Here's the thing with trading. It's like, just make money kind of thing. So it's all good. Yeah. The fuck? Oh, look at this. 30-minute closing below.
In the beginning.
That was like the most delayed. Would you say 1 hour on NQ is valid? I wouldn't take NQ trade because we've got stock exchange coming up. Took a shitty ass trade in NQ pre-market, hit my stop loss, but went back up. How do I overcome something so small? I mean, it's not small. What you're dealing with there is impulse trading, revenge trading. It's the number one killer in the game. So if somebody came up to you and said, "Hey, bro, here's the number one thing that you need to stop doing, and if you keep doing this thing, you're gonna die in real life," you would stop it, right? The number one thing that's killing traders is revenge trading. It's very difficult to stop. So awareness is the first step. Please advise what I should do. This is my first Top Step account. I have 100K Express. I have MLL account balances at, I mean, you got $900 still there. Just trade it. Yeah, just keep trading it. Do you like paddle, brother? Yeah, I'm getting pretty good at paddle. In the Meningi. Oh, here we go. Here's that same dude. Just like trading successful, full-time job, either trader or course grifter, you can't be both. Hey, stupid. What do you mean you can't be both? Not only can you be both, you can be multiple things. You can be a trader, you can be a business owner, you can be an educator, you can be everything, but you're stupid and don't understand that having multiple streams of income, finding fulfillment in things outside of just one thing is what life is about. Like, trading must be the only industry in the world where, anyway, I can't be bothered. All right, so we've got this closure. Interesting. It looks not too bad on the 15. Yeah, I traded. I'm also a truck driver. Nah, you got to quit your fucking job. Quit your job. You're not allowed to be a trader and a truck driver. That's so funny. Big rule number one is, if you're a trader, you have to quit your job because that means you're a grifter. All right, come on, gold and silver. Don't do us dirty, G. Big hour closure here, you guys. Did the 4 hour close on Forex? Let's have a look. Yeah, the 4 hour just closed on Forex. How did it close? Bearish. Bit weird, but all good. I'm unemployed, then you're a perfect. In the Beninging. I'll tell you that in a sec. I'm just trying to get a bit of a pulse on something here. Come on. Yeah, let's be patient here. If we can just hang out here for a bit, we're going to get it set up. I refuse to not get it set up here. There's something cooking, but we're just going to have to fucking be a bit patient. I think we're at a really key level to get a decent fucking trade here. Let the market tell us what it's doing. Because right now, the reality is, you guys, don't get impatient. Because look what the reality is. In the last 2 hours, we've been in this range here. Right? We're just in this range. So don't get faked out with these kind of things. We need to wait for confirmation. Right? It's only going to make sense. Let me answer this question.
In the beginning,
When you went through deep trading losses and kept making mistakes, what was your mindset? Did you ever think about quitting? Yeah, I cried heaps. Thought I was retarded, thought all this shit. Everything you've ever gone through, I've gone through 10 times billion. But man, there's something about resilience and actually trying to get better. There's a power in trying to get better. A lot of people just do the same shit the next day. You have to try to get better. Yeah, exactly, Silsik. This candle still hasn't got a wick, so don't be crazy yet. Good afternoon, my mentor. Good afternoon, my friend. Have you heard of King and Country? Wait, what? No. I like your education. I would like you streaming every day. Why you changed? I changed because it's too much of my time. And I stream for just the mentorship people now. Yeah. Brother, with all due respect, I hate your shades with all my guts. Okay, let's have a look at this dude. So this is the person that hates my shades. Oh! Hey bro, if you're gonna hate my shades, one, don't look all insecure like this. And if you're not that guy, don't fucking wear your own glasses and a zesty shirt. All good. That's it. All good. All good. Back to fun. Back to trading. All good. So, yeah. I mean, come on, man. Confused how you scaled to 30K on 5 micros with a 1-to-1. And these shades are like $3 from Amazon or something. I mean, I don't understand what you're confused about, EBC. You're confused how I won trades on an account? I don't get it. Like, what do you mean? What are you confused about? Hey, you guys, can you please, you know, you guys on YouTube that are all watching on YouTube, if you press that thumbs up button right now, we could break the stream record for the most thumbs ups. Yeah. Thank you. Nah, NFP's tomorrow, my G. How many trades it take you to get there? Makes no sense. 5 micros. Who said 2 weeks? Now you're just making numbers up. And the number is actually 45,000. How did you get there? I took trades, my dude. Oh, shit. You know what I mean? Like, dude's offended that I have an account size that's large. What do you think? I just like made it go up? I called Tops, hey, I need you guys to throw money in my account and also give me these payouts on that account too. Oh, speak of the devil, Top Step TV just messaged me. Let's have a look. Oh, look, there's lots of emails from them. Hey Dan, awesome, locked in February. Look at this, February 13th. I'll be on Top Dog TV. So the 1 hour on silver has no top wick yet. And basically not on gold either. We're still in this range, man. Don't get faked out, man. A bunch of traders, and this would be the old me as well, got faked out here, 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 here. We're gonna need confirmation. And what's that confirmation? It's a candle closure outside of the range. Oh, look at this. You've been trading the strategy, very profitable and personal, but when I trade prop, I fail. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me what that is. I'm assuming it's some sort of psychological thing that it's cooking you. All right, perfect. There's that top wick, man. If we can get a break above, I'm happy as to take a fucking buy if we get a 15 break above. Defo. What's your usual risk? It's on a case by case basis. Sometimes I just look for 150 bucks. Sometimes I look for fucking 5 grand. You know, I was doing a bunch of one-on-one mentorship calls today, and I said to some of the guys, some of my guys have had multi 5-figure days and stuff like that. But then they had a bad red day with 5 figures as well. And I said, man, hey, slow down, my G. What's wrong with getting a $100, $200 day here and there? It doesn't need to be massive home runs every day, especially if you're a prop trader. And, you know, if I have a big day, like 5-figure day, then I'll just look for 150 bucks for the next 4 days. When somebody asks how much I took in payouts, do I say the number is split or after split, like alpha takes 30%? Hey bro. What? Take the payouts and just put it in your pocket, and who gives a fuck? Like, you're planning how to tell people that you made money? Just make money and then buy more accounts and make more. Type shit. Hi, I from Top Step. How fast the Top Step payout? I don't know. I don't, you know, people ask me that. I'm like, I don't care. As long as it's hitting my account, that's all I give a shit about. Like, I actually don't care. I don't care how long it takes. As long as it's coming, that's all I care. Because some people are like, dude, go to this prop firm. You can get the payout in a day. I'm like, bro, I don't care when I get it, as long as I get it. So yeah, I think we've done a good job here, just not getting faked out. Like I said before, it's a superpower in trading of knowing when not to take a trade as opposed to when to take a trade. And we've done a good job of avoiding a bunch of fake outs here. And now I'm going to be patient and look for an actual breakout. Silver's pushing down quite aggressively here. I'm going to mark a level here. This is much to the left. Yeah, you got relatively clean traffic there to the left. And let's see what happens here. How long have you been building this account? I got it at the start of January. Put 45K on it since then. It's been just over a month. Do you mind giving us a breakdown of how you trade your 50K? I mean, it's really just that. Sometimes, I mean, I've been trading for quite a while now. So sometimes I go super heavy on a trade or an account. And days like yesterday, so check this out, you guys. I've had multiple of these trades as well, which is, I've still got the level marked here. So I had a level yesterday on the NQ there. This candle broke below that level. I was relatively bearish on the trade. Once I got that retest, I had a sell stop sitting there, got activated, pushed it down, took 80% there, and I rode that bitch, the rest of the 20% of my trade, I rode it all the way down to here. It's all on my Instagram story if you want to see that. All right, so yesterday was a 3K day, and you know, you can get these big bangers every now and then, or with gold, if you get one of your like textbook plays, you can go heavy on it and make a couple grand. It's all G. Approach the passing account, just go aggressive. If you're like me and you got a lot of experience in the game, I just go aggressive. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna be but not. All right, I'll tell you guys. All right, I'll tell you guys. So this, so this is how I. Oh fuck it. I don't know if I should because newer traders are gonna be like, I'm gonna do that. But anyway, this is what I do. So if I get a combine, I'm gonna try and hit 50% on the first trade. And on that first trade, if I lose it, I blow the account. If I make it, I get 50% of it done because you can only do 50% at a time, a day. So I go extremely heavy on that first trade to try to get to that 50% on that first trade, to the point that if I lose that trade, I'm also going to lose the account. And then on the second day, when I've got the second 50% to go, then I'll slow it down. I'll try and pass it in like 2 to 3 trades. That's all that you got to do. Now, I only advise this for experienced traders. If you're still getting a pulse on your system and your strategy, bad idea. Bad idea. Very bad. Right, so this is a very high volume time. What the fuck's gold doing? Stuck in the mud. Hey, you guys, if you want gold to stop, just tell me to jump on stream and I'll slow that bitch right down. Pretty much, Camille. Yeah, news in 45 minutes. Are you copy trading or just, I only use one, like I don't copy trade too much anymore. I do every now and then, but not too much. Cooking potatoes. Yeah, legit EDU. Daniel Israel. Is Top Step good? I heard their shit was lagging. Come on, G. No, I do copy trade, but just not that much because I like to split my accounts up. I'll go heavy on this trade and maybe not so heavy on this trade and shit like that. Fuck me, this is like super slow right now. I honestly don't think I've got a trade from New York Open to the New York Stock Exchange in the last 6 months. Like, why do I keep showing up at this time? Yeah, never again. Next week I'm going to show up at Stock Exchange Open. Sometimes better not to read comments. I mean, the issue is I just read what I see. I don't really like think of, oh, I better not read this. I just, as soon as I see a thing, I'll read it. So that's the issue. Pushing down here. Oh, 20 seconds. So this count's breaking right now. Fuck, man. Yeah, a lot of that range is already filled now. So the issue with the break below here now and the way that it's pushed down this far is a lot of, I wanted to sell this range. This is why I said, man, like the probability of this happening is, it's a bit weird. Getting fake out vibes, to be honest. Great watch. Rolly, rolly, rolly. Yeah. Keep an eye on this. Ugly stuff, to be honest. Nice, Adrian. Oh, fuck off. Silsik, I actually read that and I nearly, because I seen your name and I nearly, you little devil. So the reason I can't sell this, because my target is right here. So that means I have a negative risk to reward because my stop loss has to go up here. I'll be selling down to the next support level, which is right there, which would in turn give me a negative risk to reward. So I can't do that, right? So hopefully at the Stock Exchange Open, we get some nice potential here. Silver's still pushing down here. Wow. I am getting fake out vibes, but who knows? I mean, you never know. I wouldn't be using that as confluence, to be honest. Does this strategy apply to Forex? This strategy applies to anything where there's candlesticks. You got to understand these candlesticks are just a representation of what has been, what's happening in the market. Wow, a lot of volume here. Fucking NQ looks nice. Too bad Stock Exchange. NQ is massively selling off, isn't it? Yep. Yep, this where there's candlesticks. Yeah, this applies for romantic dinners as well. That's funny. Once you've taken out 5 count payout on your Express, will the balance go back to 0? No, it'll just go back to, yeah, it'll go back, for me, it'll go back, it'll go to 25K. If I didn't take any payouts, this account would be at 45K. I've taken 3 5K bangers. Sell stop below 15-minute candle broke. No, I'm not going to have a sell stop here because I have a negative risk to reward by selling straight into this range. And it can sell, it can smash its way down, which is fine. I just can't break my rules here. So I would have got tagged in just then. And now I'd be like, fuck. If I got tagged in there, I would have got slipped as well. I'd be in 80 pips of drawdown right now. 80. Nearly 100. Nee. Approach for passing fundeds. I just spoke about that before, so you have to go back. Could you talk about light bulb moment? Yeah, I'm glad you asked that because there's no such thing. The only light bulb moment you'll have is once you're profitable. And that light bulb moment is, oh, holy shit, I didn't even realize I'm profitable. You go, oh my God, how did I get here? Hope it won't melt too far. Yeah, I mean, who says it's going to melt though? It could just reject massively. So whatever it does, I hope it fucking gives me a setup. Like obviously it's bearish. It looks like it's going to melt, but we'll see. Looks like there's a very high probability of it definitely coming down to here. What it does once it gets to here, who knows? Oh, Jack's one of the new guys that fucking calls out, I said it, told you to sell. I mean, yeah. Can we seal? All right, man. Big volume coming in very soon. Big muntings. A lot of red on the 1 hour. Big red candles. Big sell-off. Massive probability of price coming down here. Just hopefully we get an opportunity to play. Yeah, you've got to massively lower your size at the moment. There's a ton of volume in the market. So, you know, whatever trade size you would typically use, like cut it massively down. What's your A plus setup? Every trade that I take. I think you should only take trades if they're A plus. Q's moving down. Everything's massively selling right now. A lot of FOMO in the market. No FOMO, you guys. No homo. Streaming helped you trade journey? Yeah, streaming's good. You can kind of just wait for your setups. Don't do any crazy shit. This next closure is everything, man. This next candle closure is everything. It's gonna be at the stock exchange, so we should try and like get lift off at one of these bangers. Yeah, I know. Open the multiple windows things. Yeah. W in the wild. Six minutes, you guys. 6 minutes, big 6 minutes coming up. I'm glad I didn't get triggered in there. I would have got stopped out just then. 150 pip stops. I'm from Australia originally, but I live in Dubai now. Yeah. Habibi. Big reaction here off this level, which is fine. Very gonna see, like, see how we avoided that potential fake out there? Like, it broke below this level, and I said, you know what? It doesn't match my criteria, so I'm not going to enter there. If I entered there at the break of that low, I would have just got stopped out. I said at the start of this stream, knowing when not to take a trade is more important than knowing when to take a trade. Now this is the main, this is the level here. Potential, you know, potential, I will put this level here, to be honest. Fuck, we'll see. Maybe, because the way it's going to look on the 30 might be intriguing. On the 30, it could kind of present something like this. We get that, you're running kind of into support, but I think I'm interested in buys. We'll see, we'll see. Let's see how this develops here. Clear targets up here. I do believe we have clear targets. Habibi. Is there just random crocodiles roaming around the streets? I mean, if you go to North Australia, yeah, it's pretty crocodilian. Yep. I mean, the thing about the spider thing is actually real in Australia. And I only realized that since coming here where there's like fuck all spiders. In areas where I'd usually be like, you know, I better be careful of spider webs and shit. I'm like, oh yeah, there's no spiders here. China! The Epstein files. Can we just move on from this? You're the worst reporter in history. You really are. Did you get bitten by a snake? A trouser snake? That's so gay. Oh. What's Silver's reaction here? Silver's, ooh, potential silver buys. Interesting. Potential silver buys. Very interesting. Look to put a top wick on this fucking 1 hour candle maybe. Wow. Boom, liquidated. Why? Why? What trade are you looking at? If you've been on the stream, we're being patient. We're being literally patient. Impersonations. We had them. Oh shit. Interested in longs? Yeah, we'll see. Let's see. Keep an eye here on Sylvie. Potential buy stops if we get a break here and try and buy it up. Don't want it to go too far. GC. GC's come back up. Potential buys. I'm more interested in silver, to be honest. Yeah, NQ will do some crazy shit. Oh, did that person say I'm selling right now? No. NQ about to kick in stock exchange volume. Why are you looking for buys of silver? I mean, I'm just looking for a reaction off this level, right? So it looks like we're at a key level of support. Price is reacting off that, right? We're having a bullish reaction off that. If we get buyers to hold here and then see if sellers can take back over, which would indicate like it would start moving down, but then reject and flip and break the high, I think there's a decent probability of buyers at least pushing price up a bit to at least create a top wick on this 1 hour candle as well. So I'll be taking size off there and see if I can let the rest run up to here or something. That's kind of where my head's at, but we'll see how this closure comes in at 30 seconds. Yeah, we're at a major level of reaction where price could react off. Do you always look for fake out to confirm a trade? Never consider fake outs for trades. No. All right, so we're about to get this closure. Let's have a look at SIL. And alternatively, if it doesn't and the next one reacts down, we've got a great level to sell below then. Now we have some support at this level. Great level to sell below now. Same with fucking gold. Great level to sell below now. Beautiful level to sell below now. So this could be really cool at a high volume time. So I'm going to need to get out of the first 1 minute of this candle though. I'm going to need to do that definitely. Gonna need to get out of the first minute. I'm a loser? No, you're not. What up, Muslim? Muslim? I don't know what fucking size to use. I'm only looking for a little bit just to get eligible for a payout. Yep, I think I like this. I'm going to be looking to see if I can get a top wick create on this 1 hour. And if it doesn't, then I'll be looking to sell below if I get a closure below on gold or silver. Yeah, there goes that idea on silver. There goes that fucking idea on silver. Even if so right now, wait, would that be, would that really be a 3K stop loss just then, Jack? Fuck. With 1 micro. Silver's just fucking melting here. Yeah, so we're going to need to get a closure now. I'm interested in gold mainly now. Silver's kind of too extended. What up, Sammy? Yeah, very interested in sells below. Oh wow, 1.5K. Fuck, I just wanted a friggin' $200. That's crazy. What up, Coach Sam? All right, this could be a great sell below here. If we can get a great sell below here, that's going to be awesome, man. So very, very would like that. Yeah, if you can scan the barcode, this is wild. Crazy. Imagine if you just get this for the next fucking 3 hours. But it's like days like this where it just pays so much to be patient and actually wait for confirmation, which is candle closures outside of, you know, key ranges and things like that. How many times could we have got jumpy today already? Could have got way jumpy already, but just waited. The old me used to do that all the time, man. I used to just take these impulse trades so much. Bro, I wish. Yeah, silver's fucking skitzing out. I mean, yeah, fucking really, yeah, this closure is gonna be what we need, man. Good stuff, Bobby. Bro, whatever stream I jump on, this is what you're gonna get. So, sorry about that, but it is what it is. Yo, X Jones, what up, my man? Good to see you, bro. What lot size? It depends. I'm going to go light today just to get eligible for a payout, but yeah, it just depends. The market is designed to transfer money from the impatient to the patient. Yeah, that's a great quote. Yeah, great quote. Think gold or silver is better to invest in as a beginner? Neither. Just don't invest as a beginner. Just learn. Just spend time learning. Whatever you invest, you're just going to lose. So you're better off spending like a year learning on practice accounts and stuff like that. Oh, NQ. Let's have a look what NQ did. I mean, maybe. Let's have a look. Maybe we could trade NQ. Yeah, if we get a break on one of these levels, I might trade NQ. Fuck it. Yeah. Keep an eye on NQ over the next 8 minutes. Wow, this is wild on gold. Look at this, you guys. Very ugly. Yeah, Will, literally. What the hell? Explosion incoming on gold. I'll explode on you. Sorry. Yeah, barcode central. I'm going through a tough time and I need $100 urgently. If you could help me a little, I'd truly appreciate it. Give you good wishes and your family. I mean, I'd love to help you, man. But then, I mean, if I ever like ran into you on the street or something, then I would try and do that. But if I say, yeah, I'll help you, then I get so many DMs of people say asking for money then. Yeah, I tried to do that once before and then I got so many DMs. Give me money, dude. Yeah, Gold Range is equivalent to silent treatment, literally. Help one, then help them all. Yeah. I need a Lambo urgently. I mean, if this candle can't give me a closure, you guys, I'm just going to have to call it. Yeah, I'm on YouTube. Live on YouTube. Hey, you guys on TikTok. Oh, this looks like it could be breaking above. You guys on TikTok. If you want to continue watching the stream, I'm live on YouTube. The name's the same as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. I would say head over there now and we'll continue the stream there now. I'll see you there. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. That's how you build an audience on YouTube from TikTok. But then you get all these like retards. That's all good. When Eurus, man? Oh, I mean, to be honest, I looked into getting a nice car here in Dubai, but in order to, well, if you want to finance a portion of it, in order to finance a portion, you need to have a business for a minimum of 1 year in Dubai. And technically I've only been here, had a business here for like 7 months or something like that. Yo, it's my TikTokers. What up? What up? Make sure you drop a thumbs up and a subscribe. Make sure you do both of those things. Is NQ really rocketing? Oh, she's rocketing. Silver. Silver reacting. Potential silver buys still. Let's have a look. Potential silver buys. So here's the thing on silver. If it can hang out here, I'm going to be interested in re-entering a silver buy. So let's watch what silver does. I think we've played it very smart today. A lot of potential fake outs, and now my level's going to be up here because a lot of this range has just been filled, and this is a much better level. So now we're getting cooking a bit here on these things. Bing, wow, NQ. Yeah, NQ's cooked. It's too far extended now. Yo, real B2K, good to see you, my friend. It's been a while. Yes, good to see you, G. Are you not? Oh my God, come on, man. Don't do this to us. All right, well, my silver idea might be a bit cooked. Gold's looking good, though. Yeah, gold's looking good here. If it can like close above here and hold here. Or gold, please just stay there. I beg you, just stay there. Just stay right there. I literally beg you. I'll get on my knees and beg. Don't make me do it. I wonder if that works. Gold, please stay right there. I want you, please break above that level, but stay there. Don't overextend. Don't break those wicks. Don't fill that range too much. Just stay right there. I don't think it works in trading, but it's all good. Bro, I also need to beg you. Bro, I'll be honest. The number one thing to get money is a job. So you're gonna have to look into that a bit more. Just look into that more. ChatGPT, a job. Yeah, silver's tough. It's extended. It kind of did what I wanted it to do. Gold's gonna be the one. You stretch your hope and pray. When you get a Bugatti, yeah, I mean, I'd like to know as well. Fuck, this might be my longest stream ever. I love when you teach us to enter in the candlestick. Yep, you want to enter in the candlestick. Well, I mean, we could be getting that closure here. So we'll have to see. Tried to pull out the prey strat. Hey, anyone that's interested in joining the free Disy as well, we have a free Discord community of traders. We've got like 7,000 people killing it. Here's a link to it. Free link to the free Discord. Yeah. So we've got a full community. Almost 2 hours. Wow. What's the difference between MGC and GC? GC is gold contracts. MGC is micro gold, mini gold contracts or some shit. It's just a smaller amount. Bro, I beg you publicly, please give. Yeah, like I said, what I said before, remember, is that if I say that, then everyone's going to ask me for money. If you fly to Dubai and come see me in person, I'll do it, but that's all I can do, man. I'm sorry, just get a job. Number one way to make money. The number one way to make money, according to Google, something about a job. Just do a job thing. Oh, nice, Mudrick. I mean, I've said it a million times, but if I can pull this bullshit off, then so can you, my G. Yeah, sales is the fastest way to make extra money. Yeah, I agree with that. I always worked in sales roles because you could actually dictate how much money you can make based on your performance. Yep. Silver's off. Big time. Gold's looking beautiful. If you can hold here, we've got 30 Gold, you've got 30 seconds. Stay right there, brother. Stay there, please. Please, please, please. I'm begging. And retest. Yeah, we've got one more step to fucking go. Yeah, don't get too excited. What are these ranges? 150 pips. Let's go. All right, we got one more step. A retest. Yes, there's a retest. I need it. And then one more. Final step. I need to get out of the first minute. Just stay there, motherfucker. Don't do anything. Just stay, please. Just let me get out of the first minute. All right, nearly 20 seconds. Just 40 more seconds. Bye. I mean, I don't even know why I'm getting this emotional. It's just fucking, who gives a shit, really? Yo, what up, Hustler Handbook? The Hustler Handbook. Dude, can I have the handbook? Why are you holding out on it, brother? Can I have the handbook? Can this strategy apply a 1 hour? Yeah, this strategy is about reading market structure. All right, so that's the premise of it, is your ability to read the candles as a whole. So it works on all time frames. Yeah, so I'm gonna have about 160 pip stop, maybe 170 pip, something like that. Damn, why is the market this period different? Yeah, it's just how it works, bro. The world's crazy right now, and that's just what. Yeah, who knows.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. I'm fucking in an actual human trade. You wouldn't read about it. You would not read about it. You're on one MGC. Yeah, I'm just trying to get 100. I'm trying to get 150 bucks on the account, so I'm eligible for a payout. That's all. That's all I'm trying to do. Gold, don't nerf me. I've been patient. You know, I've been a good boy. I've done all the shits. Right? I've done all the things. I've been a good boy. Don't nerf me. You're going to nerf me, aren't you? No, you're not going to nerf me. You're not going to nerf me. I use the prey strat. I literally pulled out the prey strat. If this nerfs me, I'm quitting trading.
Order filled.
If this wicks back up, I'm going to give the trade a second chance. If this can wick back up, I'm going to give it a second chance. If this can wick back up, I'll give it a second chance. And then if not, then who gives a shit? I mean, that's just fucking cooked. I mean, that was like literally, what more do you want from a setup? What more could you ask for? What a choppy dog shit day. What a choppy Oh, we got fucking red folder as well. That's probably why. Do we? No, we got red folder in 10 minutes. I mean, that could be a component. Yeah, that could be an issue there. But what a dog shit fucking day. I'll still give it a second chance. We'll see. What an absolute dog shit session. You wouldn't read about it. I'll give it a second chance, then I'll actually wait, see what happens with news and see if I can get one more set up. Yeah, nice, Jones. I'll give it one more crack if it can break the high. I beg you publicly, bro, I just lost $190. How can I give you 100 if I just lost a fucking 200? So at this point, I need the money. Literally, at this point, I need the money. So... I'll give this bitch a second chance. I'm going to find a happy medium for a stop loss. 170 pips, 180 pips, 175. There goes your euros, yeah, legit. I can't believe you can hear that. Because you lost 190 exactly. Yes, that's right.
Order filled.
All right, here we go again. Whee! Second time a charm, but I mean, we'll see. Oh, come on, Gold. You can do it, G. There's just no, it's got nothing in the tank. She's got no go in her. Nothing. Nothing in the tank. If you win this trade, you give me 100. If I lose it, will you give me money though? That's the issue. That's the thing. So that's something we have to decide as well. If I get nerfed here, I'm calling it a day. I'm exhausted. I've never looked at a screen for so long at once. Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm cooked, chat. I'm heavily cooked here. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for my losses. Lower your stop loss? Nah, I'm not going to lower stop loss. If it can't take off here, then I'm chopped regardless. Yeah. If it can't take off here, I'm chopped regardless. And I just have to write it off as a shitty day. Shit trades. No follow through whatsoever. Zero follow through. Bitch ass follow through. Bitch ass follow through. Bearish order block. Damn it, I knew it. Should have looked out for that actually. You cook, bro? Yeah, I'm billions and I tried the prey strat, nothing's working. Yeah, nothing's working. I'm going back to Macca's, it's essentially at this point. Yeah. Yeah, no follow through whatsoever. Just choppy all day and failed to break out. Yeah. No, nothing. No follow through. I'm definitely calling it after this. I'm fried. I'll hang out because we've got red folder hitting here in 4 minutes, so I want to see what that does anyway, but
Order filled.
wow, what a terrible fucking situation. I mean, it is what it is, but nothing. I would have taken the shit out of these trades every single day. So now I'll just watch for 4 minutes, oh, and then see how news reacts. See how news reacts. Probability, no guarantees. Yeah, legit. Like exactly what I would have been interested in taking. It presented, it just didn't work out. Yeah, probability is just not on my side today. Whatever. So 3 minutes. I'm interested to see how this news hurts. Third time's the fucking charm. I mean, it's tough because we've got red folder now, so the conditions aren't right to really trade again. And I'm mentally just cooked. Been looking at the screen too long now. They patched the strat, yeah. Yeah, let's see what this red folder does. What a disgusting, disgusting fucking scenario that was. Zero follow through. Gold has chopped this whole stream. Unfucking believable. The most high volatile pair has chopped this whole stream. Wow. Wow. So 2 minutes, let's see what this red folder does. Bro, Perry, the fucking longest stream I've ever done. I'm so chopped. I'm so cooked mentally. Prediction for news? Have no idea, bro. Let's see. We've got a minute left. We shall see. Got a minute countdown. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, it still sucks to lose trades. Definitely, it never doesn't suck to lose a trade. 100%. Even though it's nothing, it's $500. It still sucks. It kind of sucks more on stream because I would never sit in front of a chart and wait like this. I would just like come back and then take the trade. But when you're like waiting, it's shitter. But at the end of the day, who really gives a fuck? I'll be streaming next Thursday again. Yep, next Thursday. So 30 seconds till red folder. Let's see if we get some sort of trade, some sort of reaction. Bing bong. 15 seconds. Yeah, just once a week these days. Disgusting. I would take this trade 1 billion times out of 1 billion times. Just unfortunate. Today looks like we're just chopping before news. Here we go. And it'll definitely push up to here at least. And that's it. Yeah, Jolts is dog shit. Appreciate you guys jumping on. What a painful stream, to be honest. But it is what it is. Just the market's done nothing here today on gold, and I got chopped. Took a trade I would have taken any day, but with all these news and shit like that, I don't know. Just didn't want to get any follow through, which is fine. Totally fine. So all good. I'll catch up with you guys later. You guys in the mentorship, I'll catch up with you tomorrow. And love you. I appreciate you. And I'll see you guys on YouTube next Thursday. Thanks, guys. Love you.